guys, here you can see that one more video has been came on the Array DSA part 14. This is our part 14. So here you can see it. So in today's video, I am telling you about the Array DSA part 14. And in today's video, this is a topic of my video. Okay, but this is Array part 14 which we are covering in today's video. So please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you know about these type of videos on this channel. So now let's move toward on the big screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's start and let's talk about how to find the final matrix after incrementing the submatrix by k in range given by b by q query. So we are learning this in today's video. So let's start and let's talk about it. So let's start. Now, first of all, let me give the font now. Given a 2D matrix means MAT square bracket and square bracket of size n multiplied by m and q queries of the form curly brackets x1 comma y1 comma x2 comma y2 comma k. For each query, the task is to add the value k to submatrix from cell x1 comma y1 to x2 comma y2. Print the matrix after all the queries performed. And this one example it has been given me like n equals to 3, m equals to 4, MAT square bracket equals to curly bracket 1 0 1 2, then comma 0 to 4 1, then comma 1 2 1 0, then q equals to 1, query square bracket equals to 0 0 1 1 2. So the output will become 3 2 1 2 2 4 4 1, then 1 2 1 0. Now, if I explain this code, there is only one query. For example, it is updating the submatrix from cell MAT square bracket 0 to MAT square bracket 1 by increment of 2. The matrix will become 3 2 1 2 2 4 4 1, then 1 2 1 0. Okay. And this type of an output will become. And one more example is, if you give this type of an example, the output will become 860783 because for query, for example, updating the submatrix from the cell MAT square bracket 0 square bracket 1 to MAT square bracket 1 square bracket 2 by increment of -1, the matrix becomes 310233. For query 2, for example, updating the submatrix from cell MAT square bracket 0 to MAT square bracket 2 by increment of 5. The matrix will be becomes 860 and 783. Naive approach. The simplest, if I give the simplest approach is to iterate over the submatrix and add k to all elements from square bracket x1 square bracket y1 to mat square bracket x2 and square bracket y2 for each query. Then you can print the matrix after the above operations. Time complexity will become 0 and multiplied by m multiplied by q, and the alloxary space will become 0 1. Efficient approach. Now, the idea is to use an alloxary matrix to perform the update operations on the corners of the submatrix cells and then find the prefix sum of the matrix to get the resultant matrix. Below are the steps. First step is initialize all elements of the alloxary matrix, say AUX square bracket to 0. Number 2. For each query x1, y1, x2, y2, k, update the alloxary matrix as A like this. Okay, this one. Let me highlight it and let me give the color to the black. Here you can see it. Number 3. Find the prefix sum of each row of the alloxary matrix. Then number 4. Find the prefix sum of each column of alloxary matrix. Number 5. Now, update the alloxary matrix as the sum of elements at each respective cell of the alloxary and given the matrix. Number 3. Print the alloxary matrix after all the above operations. Below is the illustration for how alloxary matrix is created and updated for query square bracket equals to curly bracket 0 0 1 1 2, then comma 0 1 2 3 minus 1. And this one diagram it is showing you, here you can see it. In this diagram, first of all, this one diagram, here you can see it. let me give the no color, red, and then I'm this one initialize. Here we are initialize the alloxary matrix to 0. Here I give the range update 0 1 1 2. Here you can see it, and here I'm going in this example, in this diagram 3, here I do the range update like 0 1 and 2 3 minus 1, and this one final alloxary matrix. Here you can see. Now here's this is the one implementation of the above diagram in the C++. So let's implement this code. So let's copy this code. This is a many much code. So let's copy this code. Okay, this is a very many codes. Okay, so let's copy it, and then this one output will become 3 2 1 2 and 2 4 4 1 and 1 2 1 0. So let me show you. First of all, let me open my wraplet, because like you know, I'm using the wraplet from the starting of this video. Sorry, from the starting of this course. So let's open the wraplet, and I've already created the C++ file. So I'm pasting the code here simply as, and then I'm running it. So the output has been came. Let's see the output. So the output will become, let me run it. Should take a little bit time, then see the output of it. So here you can see it. 3 2 1 2, then 2 4 4 1, then 1 2 1 0. It is sorted like this. Let me show you how it is sorted. It is sorted like this, above diagram, like above diagram. Let me show you. Let's come up like this above diagram. Okay, it is sorted like this. Here you can see it. There is a below implementation of above approach. Okay, and here we use the time complexity O rounded commas, then q plus m n multiplied by m, and here use the alloxary space 0 then rounded bracket n multiplied by m. In this example we use it. So here you can see it. In today's video I told you about the water final matrix after incrementing sub matrix by k in range given by q queries, and our this chapter has been ended very easily as. So get ready for our part 13 of this tutorial. Okay, this is our part 12, I think so. Okay, so get ready for our part 13. It will become very soon as possible. Okay, and this is code, all the code. If I explain you this code, this in this line, this one C++ program for above approach. This is one C++ program for our above approach, which I have shown you. Then in the 9 and 10 and 11 line, here we use the query data type, and in this lines here we use the function to update the given query. In the 19 line here I update the top cell. In the 22 and 23 line here we update the bottom left cell. In the 26 and 27 line here I update the bottom right cell, and the 30 and 31 cell 30 and 31 line here we update the top right cell, and the 36 and 37 line here we function that updates the matrix and mat by adding all elements of AUX. Then in the 40 and 42 line here we compute the prefix sum of all columns. Then in 47 and 48 and 49 line here we compute the prefix sum of all rows, and then in the 55 56 58 line here we get the final matrix by adding an amity and AUX matrix at each cell, and the 64 line here function that prints the matrix mat, and the 67 line here we traverse over each row, and in the 70 and 75 line here we traverse over each columns. Then like in this, these are the code which we have written down. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on this channel. So now let me meet you in the next class, in next free amazing like that type of videos on this beautiful channel. So now give me the permission to go, okay, and subscribe my channel, because we are very near to 9,100 subscribers. So please complete it. Okay, complete my 10,000 subscribers. What you are doing, complete. Okay, so now let me meet you in the next class. So for today, goodbye.